As a young boy, his immigrant fisherman father considered him lazy and called him good for nothing when Joe didn't want to clean the boat. But at the age of 10, when he picked up baseball, his life took a new path. Welcome back to another Throwback Thursday on the Craftsman's Works. I'm Pat, and today on the workbench is a Spalding 196 Joe DiMaggio endorsed glove. And although he didn't want to clean his father's fishing boat as a boy, Joe DiMaggio would go on to become anything but lazy. He would go on to become one of the greatest players ever to step on the field in Yankee Stadium. His career included a 56-game hitting streak, 3 MVP awards, and 9 World Series championships in only 13 years of playing. And he could have even done more. Like many players of his generation, he missed 3 years from 1943 to 1945, serving in the United States Army Air Corps during World War II. And those were the prime years of his career. There's no telling what else he could have accomplished during that time. This glove's going to get cleaned, conditioned. The leather was in good shape. It's going to get repainted and relaced, and it really comes back to life, remembering that golden era of baseball when Joe DiMaggio played. So now kick back, relax, and enjoy the restoration of this Spalding 196 Joe DiMaggio glove.